Do herbal teas really help prevent colds?
Herbal teas are often promoted as natural ways to boost the immune system and ward off colds. But how much truth is there to these claims? Let's examine what scientific research says about the effectiveness of different herbal teas, and what you should know if you're reaching for a cup to stay healthy.
Which herbal teas are most common for cold prevention?
Popular choices include echinacea, ginger, elderberry, chamomile, and green tea. These teas are believed to offer immune-boosting benefits thanks to their natural antioxidants, anti-inflammatory compounds, and other plant-based chemicals. Many people turn to them, especially during cold season, for extra support.
Does scientific evidence support their use?
Research findings are mixed and depend on the specific herbal tea. Some studies suggest echinacea may slightly reduce the chances or shorten the duration of colds, though results are inconsistent. Green tea may support immunity due to its antioxidants, but other teas often lack solid evidence. Most researchers stress that more high-quality studies are needed.
Are herbal teas a substitute for medical prevention?
Herbal teas can't replace fundamental cold prevention strategies like washing hands and maintaining a healthy lifestyle. While they may provide some comfort and mild benefits, relying solely on herbal teas is not a proven way to prevent colds. Consider herbal teas as a supplement, not as a substitute for good hygiene and medical advice.
What are the risks and considerations?
Most herbal teas are safe for healthy adults in moderation, but there can be side effects or interactions. Some herbs, such as echinacea, can cause allergic reactions or interact with certain medications. Always check with a healthcare professional if you have concerns or medical conditions before adding new herbal teas to your routine.
Key takeaways on herbal teas and colds.
Herbal teas may offer modest benefits for cold prevention and comfort, but results vary. There is no strong evidence they can prevent colds on their own. At best, they can be a pleasant part of your overall approach to wellness, alongside proven prevention measures and advice from healthcare professionals.